Maximize garden space. Top landscape design tips for optimizing your outdoor area. Welcome to a haven tailored for nature lovers, gardening enthusiasts, and those seeking the solace of serene landscapes. In an increasingly fast-paced world, this dedicated space provides a retreat where you can reconnect with the soothing power of nature. Whether you're an experienced gardener or simply someone who appreciates the peaceful beauty of lush greenery, we offer an escape through our carefully curated collection of immersive videos. Each piece has been crafted to transport you to diverse and enchanting garden settings, ensuring a unique experience with every viewing. Our vibrant flower gardens are a feast for both the eyes and the soul. Imagine strolling through pathways lined with vivid roses, cheerful tulips, and stately daffodils. Each flower bed is a living canvas painted in hues of red, yellow, pink, and blue, offering an ever-changing masterpiece with the seasons. The sweet fragrances that fill the air are nature's own perfumery, a sensory delight that complements the visual spectacle. These videos aim to usher you into a world where the riot of colours and textures celebrates nature's boundless creativity and splendour. For those with a culinary inclination or a love for aromatic greenery, our lush herb gardens provide both inspiration and practical knowledge. Witness the simple joy of growing basil, rosemary, mint, and thyme, meticulously arranged in plots that marry utility with beauty. These gardens aren't just a visual delight. They also promise the freshest ingredients for your next home-cooked meal. Imagine stepping into your garden to pick a sprig of rose, merry to add a distinctive flavour to your dishes. Our videos showcase how accessible and rewarding cultivating an herb garden can be, whether you have acres of space or a small balcony. Then, we invite you to experience the tranquility of Japanese gardens. Every element in these gardens is thoughtfully placed to evoke peace, balance, and harmony. The simplicity of a stone path, the gentle trickle of water in a koi pond, or the artistic elegance of a bonsai tree, each detail is designed to foster meditation and reflection. The serene quality of these gardens acts as a balm for the mind and spirit, teaching important lessons in mindfulness and the beauty of living in harmony with nature's rhythms. In urban settings, where green spaces are often limited, we present serene rooftop sanctuaries that rise above the hustle and bustle of city life. These elevated gardens transform concrete landscapes into verdant paradises, offering much-needed oases amidst urban chaos. From panoramic city views to secluded nooks surrounded by lush greenery, our videos showcase innovative designs that reclaim space for nature in the most surprising places. These rooftop retreats not only provide a green escape, but also demonstrate how creativity and nature can flourish even in densely populated areas. Each video in our collection is an invitation to pause, breathe, and immerse yourself fully in these beautiful landscapes. The calming visuals are complemented by auditory experiences, the gentle rustling of leaves, the quiet murmur of a fountain, and distant birdsong, all creating an ambience of peace and tranquility. Our goal is to transport you to these unique spaces, where nature's wonders are celebrated and appreciated in all their glory. this is more than just an opportunity to watch. It's a chance to learn, to relax, and to find inspiration. Whether you're drawing practical ideas for your garden projects or simply seeking a mental escape to a more peaceful world, our dedicated space offers endless possibilities. Embrace the serenity and creativity that nature brings and let these immersive experiences enrich your life with beauty and calm.